Good morning, everyone. This is T-Rex in the house. Okay, today we will have a tutorial about save and save as button. Okay, as you see here in our note, save and save as button. For the first time, we need to know about what is save button in the computer. When you click the save button, you put your file into the computer, okay, or you put your word inside the computer. So that is the importance why a lot of people do saving their files on the computer. So I will teach you how to save the button, how to save a file, and also I will teach you also how what is the use of save as button. Okay, for the first time you click the save button, the computer asking you where you want to put your file or word. For example, okay, I opened the PowerPoint and made a new template. Okay, and then I will put here the title, how to save the file. Okay, how to save the file. Okay, so the most important thing is to look at the upper left of your office, okay, or PowerPoint like this. You can see a save icon, okay, or you can click the tab file tab, and you can see the save and save as button. Okay, usually if you want to save only, you have to click only this. Okay, for the first time you click this save button, okay, it will show this to you. Okay, this whole thing to you. It will the computer asking you where you want to put the file that you want to save. Okay, so you have to click the browse or this PC and add a place. But for now, I think we have to click the browse. Okay, browse, and you will see this in this left corner. You can see all the different places in your computer. You can save anywhere, but for now in our computer room, we have to save here in new volume D. Okay, remember, new volume D. Click this new volume D and click the file name, click the file name, and put your name. For example, your name is T-Rex. Okay, so T-Rex make make a saving file in new volume D. So all I have to do is to click the save button, and now I already saved this file. Okay, as you see here, the name of the file is trex.pptx, so that is PowerPoint. Okay, in the second time, okay, but the second time, up to many times you click the save button, it will save your file to the latest word you made, and it will not ask you again where you want to put the file. So the second time you click this again, or the third time, the fourth time you click this again, the computer will never ask you again where you want to put the file, because you already do that before the first time you click it. Okay, so all you have to do is to, once you modify the your file, like me, I'm putting the second slide, okay, slide 2 for example, and I want to save this again. So all you have to do is to click the save file again, so that this slide 2 will save to your trex.pptx. Okay, so as you close this and open, look for the new volume D in your computer. Just wait. click the new volume D. Okay, as you can see, and let's find the t-rex.pptx. Okay, so click this and you can see that the second slide are saved. Okay, and then we need to create again slide 3, and all you have to do every time you create new things or every time you modify your file, all you have to do is to save again. Okay, it will never ask you again where you want to put the file because you already put the t-rex.ppt at new volume D. Okay, always remember that. So that is the word of the word of save button. And how about save as button? Save as button is you put again the same file that you made last time, but you must put a different name. Why you need to put a different name again? Because most of the user use this save as button to protect the original file they made. For example, as I told you before, we save t-rex.pptx, okay, in new volume D. So I want another copy of this t-rex.pptx, but once you made another copy of this, you must use the save as button. Okay, click the file tab and click the save as button. As you can see, they asking you where you want to put the file. Okay, if you want to put the file to other places like documents, it's okay that you cannot change the name. But if you put again the file into new volume D and you didn't change the name, this will happen. Okay, when I click the save button, it will have a confirmation save as. The error is t-rex.pptx already exists, meaning to say t-rex file has already at new volume D. So the question is, do you want to replace it? So of course we don't want to destroy the old files that I have, so I need to change the name of this save as file. All I have to do is to click no, because if I click yes, the old t-rex.pptx will be gone and it will replaced by the new t-rex.pptx. So that is really important. Okay, so every time you save as, the most important thing is always put different name. For example, I click no because I don't want to lose my old t-rex.pptx. So I need to change the file name. For example, t-rex.2. So because this is the second file that I made with the t-rex one before. Okay, so I put t-rex2. So that is the importance of save as file. So when I click the save, it will be saved in the new volume D. As we look to new volume D, you can see here it has two type of file that I made: the t-rex, the old file, and the t-rex2.pptx. Okay, when I click the t-rex.pp2.x, it is the same with the t-rex file that I made before. Okay, this is t-rex2, t-rex2, and when I click the t-rex, my original file in PowerPoint, it is the same also with the t-rex2. So that is the reason why we have save as button. Okay, and now you know how important is the save. button and save as button. And I hope you learn about this thing. Bye bye.